Welcome to GKey Solutions Private Limited.
SQL Server Integration Services, Classes and Real-Time Interview Questions and Answers. Part 55. What are data viewers in SSIS?
In this part of training, we are going to discuss about what are data viewers in SSIS. Data viewers in SSIS are debugging tools used inside data flow tasks to display the data that is passing through data path at runtime. Main point here is data viewers are used in data flow task only. They allows you to visually inspect rows of data as they move between transformations, helping you validate and debug ETL logic. Why data viewers are used? Data viewers help you check if data is flowing correctly, verify transformations like derived column, lookup, splits, etc., identify data quality issues, debug mismatches or conversion errors, validate business rules applied in the data flow, and where data viewers can be added. Data viewers can be added to data paths between source and transformation, transformation to destination. That means in between source and destination there will be transformations. Between these things, data viewers are going to be used. Let us see these things practically in SSIS. I am in SSIS. I have a package created here which is called data viewers package. Here in data viewer package, what this package is going to do is it will iterate through different files here like EMP1 data, EMP2 data, EMP3 data, and it will load the data into the target table. To iterate through different files, I have used for each loop container. In for each loop container, I have used the enumerator called for each file enumerator. It will pick each file from a particular directory. And in data flow task, I have used flat file and OLDB destination in between row count. Just to check what are the different row counts for each file, I have used row count transformation. In this, these are the two variables. We are using like for each loop container, that's why I have used a file path variable and row count transformation to get the row count of each file. And here I am trying to enable the data viewers. For example, here in this place or here as well, you can enable data viewers. I have enabled the data viewer here. If I start running the package, see here what is happening at the first place. Before the row count, data viewer has activated. Here in the data viewer, this is the first file which is having 200 records. If you click on this is the first file. If you click on continue, like data in the next buffer is displayed. If you click on this symbol, you will get the next file record, that is 1000 records. And in such a way, if you don't want to see the third file records, you can detach and you can continue the package. Now the package got executed. In this way, this continue and detach, attach things will be used. I'll show you again. I'm debugging. Here I'm just running the package again. See, this is the first file which has loaded 200 files, and second file 1000 records. If you don't want to get into the third one, why? Because we have checked the data which is happening correctly here. No need to go for checking another file. You can detach here. Otherwise, if you want to check, you can use continue. The third file 400 records have been loaded. Now if you click on continue in this way, you have to loop through all the files. If you detach is used to, for example, if you are iterating through 100 like 50 or 40 or 20 or 10 files, after checking 2 or 3 files, data is looking good, means you can detach this data viewers and the package is going to be ran for all the files instead of looking at each file in the data viewer part. I think you got some idea about the continue and detach. These are the data viewers, and there is other option you can explore in the data viewers. See, in data viewers, in the flat file we are having different columns. If you click on data viewers, edit, if you come to data viewers option, these are the different columns that you want to check here. For example, you don't want to check all the columns. Some of the columns only for 2 or 3 columns, or if you want to delete some of the columns, you can just move these things to this side. You don't want to see, you want to see only like employee ID, first name, last name, gender and job title. Then if you start running it, you can see only those records while running. See, employee ID, first name, last name and gender only you can able to see. In this way also, for a particular column data if you want to check, you can enable a data viewer. You can take whatever columns you want to check, you can check like this. For example, sometimes what we are going to do is, by taking derived column and other like transformation, you make some calculation over here. To check that full name column or something here, you can take the first name, last name and full name. You can validate the data by loading the data through each file. In this way, we can debug the data in data flow task by creating data viewers in data flow task level only. Data viewers are only for data flow task. They are between source, transformations and destinations. They are going to be used. I think you got some idea about data viewers which are going to be used in data flow tasks between source, transformation and destinations. Thank you.
Stay connected with GKey IT solutions on all your favorite platforms. Follow us on YouTube, LinkedIn, Instagram and Facebook. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest content. Join the GKey community and grow your IT career with us.